Hey everybody, a little bit of a different video to what I would normally do, but I've recently purchased a set of Yagi antennas, 2.4 gigahertz version of a guy who advertises on YouTube called DJI Alex. To kind of set the scene, I've just set off from a beach and I've been trying to get out to a yacht which has been at anchor. I'm guessing probably at least two miles out at sea. I've been trying to get my Mavic out there to go and have a look at it, but the most I've been able to get in the way of distance is probably between sort of 14 and 1600 meters at best, which I'm guessing is probably about 2/3 of the way. So I saw these antennas, I've bought them, I've run down to the beach to test them. I'm going to cut bits out of it to try and keep the video short, but I would just like to point out the direction of the waves. Okay, I am pretty much flying with the wind. I've got the wind behind me at the moment, and that is going to become quite relevant later, because that is going to come back and bite me in the arse later. But let's get on with the test and let's just kind of see how we get on. Now, it's probably round about here that I'm starting to losing the signal. I just move the gimbal up and down just to test the signal. But I'm probably in and around the sort of 1400 meter mark here, which is where I've been losing the signal early. So it's about here where I stop, put the Yagis on, and just continue with the flight. I get my signal back, check the gimbal up and down, and away I go again. Now here I'm probably about 2,800 meters. I'm checking the gimbal. I've just cancelled a return to home because the test is going so well that I am pushing it. Battery level is probably about 65% at this stage, so I'm not too worried. But I've completely forgotten that I've got the wind behind me, so doing the test, I'll just push the gimbal up and down, and I am pretty certain at this stage that I'm going to get over the yacht. I'm getting a little bit worried about my battery level, so I'm just going to do one pass over the yacht, which by the time I get there, to make a note of the distance, it's pretty much exactly 3,200 meters. So I've easily doubled my range. So one quick pass and round we go. I'm going to start heading for home now. Got about 57% in the battery, and I hit a wall. My speed of 8 meters a second has just dropped to 4 meters a second, and I'm getting a little bit concerned that I've pushed it a little bit too far, and I'm not actually going to be able to get back to where I am on the beach straight ahead, and I am thinking what the hell I'm going to do. Okay, so I'm just about starting to panic at this stage. I'm pretty sure that if I continue to fly the Mavic all the way back to where I am on the beach, the battery's not going to last and I'm going to end up piling into the sea. So I make a turn due north to where the beach is a lot closer, and figure that at least if I have to do an emergency landing, better to do it on land than in the sea. So that's what I've done now. I am heading straight for nearest land. I'm happy to report that I did make it back to land, and I made it back with 7% to spare. So all good, and I'll live to fight another day. So thanks for watching, everybody, and thanks very much, Alex, for an excellent product, highly recommended. And I look forward to doing some more tests in the near future, but probably not over the water. But thanks again, guys. Everybody take care, and if you haven't got some of these Yagi antennas yet, then I suggest you go and buy some.